Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays are a drag. In today's video, we're doing a review that I was anticipating so long. One of the small but very well known in my world indie brands from UK. It's called Arttitude Cosmetics and the owner is Ruks. She was so nice that she sent me a lot of stuff in PR, and we're gonna be doing a look with this beautiful rainbow palette. For Pride Month, why not? I mean, just another rainbow look, and I'm gonna be using also this beautiful gorgeous cake liner palette. So I'm gonna be testing these things, and the brushes that you sent me, the brushes are amazing, so I'm giving it away. So if you guys are wondering and want to see swatches, I'm gonna do it all, so you'll see how this works. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, like this video, all the good stuff. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live on some Mondays. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So before we start with the swatches, I just wanted to say thanks to Ruks. She's the owner of this brand. Arttitude Cosmetics is a small indie brand from UK, and she does everything alone herself. She packages everything beautifully. She puts little inserts what the palette is about. This is about Phoenix palette, one of the palettes she sent me, and this is the handwritten note, and that's her. She has her own Instagram account. That's beautiful. You know, when I have my own beauty brand, I was just thinking about it. I want to have something like this, you know, something good quality and that other makeup artists gonna love, and makeup enthusiasts. And I think she did everything right. It's very nice, and she has a lot of beautiful products. She sent me brushes. You're gonna see them clean in the next clip, but I used a lot already. I didn't use these. I'm gonna show them to you. It has gold Arttitude Cosmetics on them. They feel very luxury, very soft. Oh, dropped, of course. Butterfinger. Beautiful, soft. The packaging, everything is packaged so beautifully. Like this rainbow color packaging, glossy, just like makes you want to touch it, you know. So this is the cake liner palette. I'm not gonna swatch it live because if I sit here, keep swatching, it's gonna take forever. I'm just gonna do it off camera. I'm gonna show you. You can trust me, I'm not screwing with swatches, you know, because this is the Coloursplash palette that's on my eyes now. So it has 12 mattes and it has 6 shimmers. There you go. Beautiful shades. And I'm going to swatch this off camera. I'm going to come back on my arm. You'll see both the cake liner and this palette. I'm going to swatch the Phoenix palette separately in my next video, so it's going to be a dedicated video for this one because this is a beautiful palette and it deserves its own video. It's gorgeous. It has 2 duochrome eyeshadows. I mean, this is like, oh, I cannot wait to put my hands on it. So let me swatch the stuff and you'll see. So I'm gonna link everything down in the description box, their website, the Instagram. Like I said at the end of the video, she's taking a break because she does everything herself. It's her own brand, and she's on vacation now, so the shop is closed. But she's gonna come back from vacation very soon, and within days, I think, and the shop is gonna be open again. You can browse stuff on Instagram and see what she's got and how much it costs for now, but the website is closed. So again, thank you, Rook, so much for working with me. Everything you send me is gorgeous, amazing, and I have my own discount code Elaina10 for additional 10% off. So if you guys want to use my discount code, you can. So let me swatch this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the swatches. It took me a while because the water activated liners take a while to swatch. So this is the palette. Very nice, actually. Holly, where are you going? The cat is on the makeup table. I mean, the kitten. Holly, be careful. What are you doing here? Wait, what are you trying to do, huh? Trying to get yourself dirty? Anyway, it swatches nicely. It was very easy to swatch. Maybe a couple of goes on each eyeshadow. Beautiful. The shimmers are real nice and reflective, so that's a palette. And that's the cake liners. Look at that. Oh, look at that goodness. I mean, I'm just looking at them myself. I need to show them to you. They're so freaking good. So good. The neons are real neon. The black and the white are real black and white. I mean, there's nothing I can dislike about them. I haven't tried. This is supposed to be like a duochrome. Like, do I see it, duochrome? Oh yeah, I think I can see it. It's like a bluish greenish and purplish bluish. I think those two. Like, I can't wait to try the rest of them. So yeah, that's everything. So let's do the tutorial, and I'm gonna do my final thoughts, and you can see Ali meowing because he wants on my lap and just fell off by accident. So let's get into the tutorial. So before I even go into the video, I wanted to show you, I haven't started this side because I don't want to open this. Look at the beautiful packaging. Look how gorgeous the brushes are. Just before I destroy them. Beautiful, right? Has beautiful red handles. It says Arttitude Cosmetics. Beautiful. Everything is so gorgeously. Oh, look at that. Look at this. It smells of luxury. Actually, it doesn't smell like anything. I'm just saying. It's gorgeous. And we got the liner brushes for the liner palette. Let me do one eye and I'll be back. We're gonna do the other eye together. Alright, let's start with this beautiful palette. I did the rainbow look because obviously it is a rainbow palette and we're in Pride Month, so there are gonna be a lot of rainbow looks from me. So if you're getting tired of the rainbow, sorry, but this is like a little more of a smoky, like rainbow. So we're gonna use a lot of this. So we're gonna start with purple. I'm gonna start from my inner corner and build up. So purple, pink, they have actual names. Grape, candy, in the inner corner, and I'm gonna blend this into rain and to jungle. Obviously, you know, the rainbow colors, lime, lemon, and under is gonna be fire and tigress, and of course midnight. The black is good. This is like a sign of a good palette. The black is good. So I'm using my new primer I got from Profusion. The white primer is very good. So I started to use it more often. I love it. And of course the beautiful brushes that I just trashed and it's gonna be washed by my husband later. So I'm going to start this color. So actually I used only one brush for the whole rainbow. The reason being, I found this eyeshadow not very staining. Like some of the eyeshadow just sticks to the brush and you just cannot even wipe it off on a color switch. But I'm going to be using color switch. I haven't used it in a while because I want to use only Arttitude brushes, and I'm going to use one brush. Let me clean it up. I'm going to go for the pink shade. Just stamp it on. The only thing I wish I had is a white, but you know me, this is my usual complaint. Where's the white? The black makes up for it. There are a couple of light shades you can use to blend out. See, the blend is so easy. It's a little bit of powdery, not powder, but you know what I mean, it falls out. But it's not a big problem, just don't do your base first. So I'm gonna use a little bit of a blush color to blend out the pinks and purples. So yeah, if I had a white, it would have been perfecter, if that's a word, more perfect. Look at the pigmentation. Dang, that's some great quality from indie brand. So I'm going to wipe it off on a color switch. And it wipes off really easy, it doesn't stay in the brush. I'm gonna go for the rain, the blue. Oh, look at the blue. I love a good blue. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm gonna have like some moments here for the eyeshadow colors. I always have eyeshadow orgasm. So since we don't have a color to blend out, I'm going to clean this brush. I'm going to cheat on a palette that I'm not reviewing today and has a little lighter color here. So there is the Elevate color. It's not white, but it's very light. It's like a yellowish kind of creamy. So it'll work. It blends out without really changing the blue. I'm gonna go for Jungle, which is green. See, this blends so easy. It literally creates a rainbow by itself. Blending with lime. And blending this with lemon and the yellow. This is incredibly formulated palette. A lot of fallout, but blends like a dream. Not the most neon yellow, but it's good to blend out shades. So I cut my crease off camera and I was about to use all of the shimmers because we got almost the whole rainbow, the green, the blue, and the purple, the pink, and the white, except for the yellow. But the problem is I just did the kind of look with Beauty by palettes and I wanted something different, so I decided to go just for the light. It's gonna highlight the mattes anyway, so might as well. I'm gonna use another brush. It's a flat brush, so let's highlight Moonstone, obviously, that's a color I'm using. I'm going to highlight the brow bone. This is supposed to be probably a cut crease concealer brush, but I might as well use it for this purpose because you can use different brushes for anything. Doesn't have to be for that purpose, so. Ah, what a good color. Now I'm really happy that there is a light shimmer. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it at this. So now I'm gonna start with the black. I'm gonna use another fluffy-ish brush that's angled, and we're gonna go to the black, watch the black. I wanted to create the low lash line that's kind of a very grungy and smoky in contrast with the rainbow on top. So we're gonna go for the black pretty much from here to below there, everywhere. So we're gonna go at an angle, just start stamping it on. So I'm gonna put black in the waterline and we're gonna put black eyeshadow as well. Make sure it's real black and pigmented. Taking a smaller smudgy brush, we're gonna go for the red fire and start blending red with the black. It's gonna be cleaned after I do my base, but I'm gonna start off and add orange, tigers. Okay, so we're going to blend this part over here, this area, and I'm going to use the first brush we used and clean it off. I'm gonna go for the purple and pink. Stamp the purple and the pink on top, candy. I'm gonna go take a little bit of pink rose, the shimmer, so the blend a little more even. See, it's gonna make the blend more smooth. Now, here's the tricky part. We're gonna do this water-activated liners. It's a beautiful splitted Painter's Paradise palette. It's mattes, metallics, neons, and pastels, and even duochromes. I'm gonna go to mostly mattes. I think they're all mattes I use, so we're gonna go with this one, inner corner, then I'm gonna blend into this one, blend into this one, blue, then go into the green. I think the green is supposed to be neon, and then to yellow. So it's gonna be kind of in the same rainbow formation. Just wanted to do some extra and use as many colors as possible. Now this brush is real nice. It's very nice and firm. Like you don't see it, but some of this kind of brushes, they're very flimsy, they kind of bend a lot easily, but this one is firm, and that's gonna make it easier to use the graphic liner like this. So I really like the brushes. So let's try the pink first. I tried to clean this brush on a makeup towel and just use the same brush. I'm taking a small liner brush. We're gonna emphasize the black and clean up the edges now. Okay, so here where we're getting so far. I'm gonna do my base and I'll be right back. I mean, so far it looks beautiful. I see a little bit of crack in here, the eyeliner, but this might be because I was trying to blend two colors together, like the blue and the purple, and like all of them. And I used a lot of color to blend them together because, you know, I'm extra. So might be my fault, but so far nothing real cracking except for this little spot over here. The other side is not cracking, so I bet it's my own fault. So I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. Let me put my bangs away for a second so you can see. Yeah, I went very smoky, like kind of look. I like those kind of very sultry looks. Very grungy on the bottom and very rainbow on top. I love the liners. It's been like a while, you know. I was kind of playing with cats and blending eyeshadow and putting my foundation on. So, and nothing cracked except for that little spot that I made a boo-boo myself. But the rest is fine. And it's beautiful, and the neon, like I can see the green is real neon and the yellow. This is so good, you guys. So this is my first experience with Arttitude Cosmetics. So good. And I got my own discount code. So this is the final look. I cannot wait to try the other palette because it has those two duochromes that I just tested on my fingers and I almost fainted, literally. I mean, I have to show you now. I mean, it's not this palette tutorial, but look at this duochromes. Oh my god. Oh. This is like a dream. Oh my goodness. They even look like a multichrome, all the Bessay duochrome. I almost like fainted literally when I saw this. So I must use this next. And I think I might do something like real smoky and dark because of these. I must use this. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Ruks, for sending this to me. It's very beautiful, and she did such a great job with her brand. So I highly recommend to support this small indie brand. This one right now, it's called Coloursplash, and it's £16.99. So on Instagram, the shop is still there, so you can actually browse the shops and look. So I'm gonna link this in the description box, their Instagram, so you can click on Instagram and the website and find out. They're gonna be back soon, and once they're back, you can go check it out. Phoenix palette is £32, $32.99. Not 100% sure about shipping to US because I can't get access to the website right now, but they're beautiful brushes. The cake liners, oh my goodness, these cake liners are so good. So good. I cannot wait to try this. Huge thank you again. Thank you, Ruks, so much for working with me. So you can use my discount code Elaina10 when I come back from vacation, so you can shop and use Elaina10. I'm gonna put it in the screen and also in description box. I forgot to mention again, the brushes are so soft. I use this brush for blush, and I use the blush from eyeshadow from a palette. Oh, so luxurious, so soft, beautiful packaging. Everything is gorgeous. So I highly recommend. Everything I tried today is outstanding, just outstanding. So this is the end of this video. Go check them out. Just browse the products while they're away, and they're going to be back soon. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live on some Mondays. Follow me on social media. All the links are down below in the description box. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you all, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!